Hello everyone. In the previous videos, we learned what is set entry, what is list, what is condition builder, what is position builder. In today's video, we're going to create one part of a strategy. So we'll be creating a strategy which has two sets, one long set and one short set. So it will be a simple SMA crossover strategy. So it will be, we'll create the strategy on a list of Nifty 50 stocks. So let's start creating the strategy. So in the entry condition, first we'll click on add. Here we'll use the position keyword. So position keyword is one of the most essential and important keywords in Tradetron. If you want to learn about the position keyword, there will be a card right at the top of the video, or put a link in the description of the keyword documentation page where you can learn about why position keyword is necessary to be used in Tradetron. So let's go to the condition building. So first we'll use close keyword. We'll use greater than, and we'll click on the plus button here. It says block copied, and we can just paste it. Now in position we can use SMA key. Now if you click on symbol, we can select the candle type. So let's select 15-minute time frame. We'll do the same thing for the SMA keyword, 15 minutes. So if you want to change the candle time frame, all you have to do is click on symbol and you can change whatever time or time frame you want. Once this is done, all that is left to do is add the instrument. So we'll click on instrument name, we'll select NSE, and we'll select Nifty 50 list. So make sure you're selecting the list. So this is all the stocks. So lists are kept at the bottom, and before the name of the list word is written. So this is a good way to identify which is list and which is stock. You click on Nifty 50 stock list, uh, and we'll click on again instrument name for the SMA keyword, NSE. Let's search for list Nifty 50. So we have essentially created, what we are actually checking is if the previous candle close was greater than previous candle SMA, and the period of SMA, if you want to set, it's currently set at 20. If you want to change it to a different one, we can click on SMA here and just change it to 10 if you want. Now this is just checking if the close is greater than SMA. Now if you want to check if there was a crossover and we want to enter after the crossover, we'll need to add another condition as well. So we'll click on the plus condition button here. I will click on the plus button in the condition block itself and we'll paste it again. We'll change the sign to less than here and then again paste the SMA block. Now in position, we'll click on position. We'll use the -2 candles. So essentially here we are comparing that the close of -2 candle was less than SMA and the close of -1 candle was greater than SMA. What this essentially means is one candle closed below SMA and another candle closed above SMA, signifying the crossover. Now if you want to add another condition, let's say time, we can add that to time keyword greater than number. So please note that Tradetron uses 24 hours format for the time keyword. So for 9:30 it will be 9:30. Let's say if you want to enter at 1 o'clock, it will be 1300. So since we want to enter at 9:30, we'll keep it as 9:30. Submit. So we have successfully created a entry condition block for our set 1. Now in the next video, we'll also learn how to add positions and how to create the set exit. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.